Hello everyone, so I'm trying funnel cake from the dollar store. Welcome to my channel, Sharona K, hashtag this is me. So I went into the dollar store and I saw the funnel cake mix and I said, wow, 125. Let me take it home, let me try it, and it turned out perfectly. So we're gonna go through the steps coming up, but yes, it gives you all the instructions, what to do, the directions. So I put the pot on because it says medium to high heat for the oil, and while that is heating, I put the mix, funnel cake mix. Then we're gonna have 3 quarts, was it 3 quarts or 3/4 milk, and then we're gonna break an egg in there, and then we're gonna mix that, combined everything in, and try to get it as smoothly as you can. So we're whisking. Look how smooth that looks. Get rid of some of those bumps. Now they're saying to test the oil, just put a little flour and see it dissolves right there. It's ready. So I had this funnel and I said, let me use it. The only thing is it takes a little while to come through the funnel, which is not good. You need something that's very quick. But this is the first one I did. And yes, it looks good. It does not look like your typical funnel cake, but it does look good. And there you go. So I used pancake syrup. If you have strawberry syrup, even honey, powdered sugar, put it on top and enjoy. And then you're going to see it coming up here. Look at that. Doesn't look like a regular funnel cake, so I said, let me give it a second try. So with this second try, instead of the funnel, I used the measuring cup to spin it round and round. And look at there. Again, doesn't look like the original funnel cake at the parks, but still good enough. And there's the batch that I did. So the very last one that I did, that's the one that I used for dessert. And there we go. I had chocolate syrup, some of those little cherries from the bottle, and guys, for $1.25 at the dollar store, it was worth it. It tastes very good, better with the powdered sugar, but still delicious.